Assorted meat pepper soup is a popular West African dish that combines various cuts of meat with a spicy, aromatic broth. Before we begin, let's get to know the different types of assorted meat you can use for your pepper soup. Here are different types of assorted meat. 1. Tripe. This is the edible stomach lining of a cow, known for its chewy texture. 2nd lungs. This has a light, airy feel which is dense and flavorful, perfect for grilling or slow cooking. 3rd kidneys. This is often cooked with spices for added flavor. 4. Liver. This is rich in nutrients and flavor, commonly fried or used in stews. 5. Cowhide. This is tough and is often cooked with lots of spices and added flavor. 6. Large intestine. This is a tender and flavorful cut often used in stews and braised dishes. 7. Small intestine. This is a tender and flavorful cut often used in stews and braised dishes. Here's how to knot intestines to give it that fancy look. Now we're done sorting out the assorted meat. Let's begin making the assorted meat pepper soup. Place the assorted meat, which has been cut into smaller pieces, into a pot. Add salt, water, and crushed seasoning. Cover the pot and leave to cook for 30 minutes. Add the pre-made pepper soup spice and mix. Don't have that already prepared. Simply add nutmeg, A hooroo. Ground pepper. Ginger, garlic, and onion mix. Stir thoroughly. Now for that extra added flavor and benefits, you can add ground crayfish and chopped scent leaves, then leave to simmer on low heat for 3 minutes before serving. And your pepper soup is ready. Enjoy your pepper soup alone or with agidi, rice, or bread. Enjoy. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and follow so you don't miss a post from us. Till next time, bye-bye.